guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I will be showing you how I wash my hair units. I might show you also how I upgrade them as well, but today we are definitely washing our hair units. The units I will be washing today is the two toppers, the edge, okay? The two toppers. This is the Effie ponytail. This is my ride or die right here. Really, all of them are my ride or dies. This is the Effie ponytail. And then we have the human hair ponytail. So before I get to washing any of my units, I try to see if I need to do any repairs on them. The hair combs that's in there. I try to make sure that all the combs are tight. Maybe I need to resew them, but I most definitely detangle all of the hair out of the combs. If I need to replace the combs, I'll replace them. If I need to add combs, I'll add them, because y'all know we have our pin hack. So this one needs to be tightened up. The one in the back is fine. And I just make sure that everything is clear of hair and pins. So it was a pin there. Okay, so the Effie ponytail is good to go. The human hair ponytail, I like to comb it through. I got plans for her. Make sure that she's tangle free. I have some really good content coming you all's way. I got some surprises coming you all's way. And then I will do the same thing with her. I will check the band. I will check the comb. Comb look pretty good up here. Comb is nice and sturdy here. And here we are. That's the human hair ponytail. All right, so she's good. Now, these are the edge toppers. Y'all know I really love my edge toppers. And the same thing, you're going to go through, you're going to look at the combs in there, and you're going to see if you need them to be tighter. Look at that. I have to repair this comb here because as you see it's coming off. I need to repair that or replace it. So far she is good. So I'm just going to detangle her. Now with my human units, I use exactly what I use on my hair, on my human hair units. Now the human hair ponytail, of course, that's human hair, and the edge toppers are human hair. I will be washing these units the way I wash my hair and using the same thing on these units that I will use on my hair. So that's one. I have to repair that one comb on that, and then here's the other one. Now, in a different video, I told y'all I was thinking about doing something to these toppers, modifying them. I'm still trying to make up my mind on that. But we have a long way to go with the series on these toppers. So I want to make sure I cover everything before, I just cut it up. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. So, and you know what? I'm going to tell you, these toppers, when you first get them, you may see some hair falling. I don't know if that's the hair from, them making the topper. But afterwards, they pretty good. They hold their own. They do not be doing any shedding and things of that nature. They don't. So, and even though it's short, you see how tangled it is? Yeah. I have so much that I want to do with these toppers and show you all. That's why I have not cut them up yet. That one is combed out. Look at that. That's combed out. The combs on here. All of them are sturdy on this one. No. This one is not. Look at that. That comb is coming up. So I have to repair that or replace. But everything else look good. So everything that I have to do repairs on, I am going to put that to the side. I am going to repair them. And then I am going to come back and show you how I am going to wash them. Because the holes in the And the wig clips are small. I tried to find a small needle, and I'm just going to tack it back down through the holes. Now, what I want to tell you all is this. I went shopping yesterday, and what I bought, I will be putting on my other channel, Regina's Way. So be looking out for that, because I want you all to be able to go and get what I, found. It was a nice sale too, which is the reason why I am up doing a lot of things that I am doing today. Organizing the things. But stuff like that is going to be over at Regina's Way. So this worked perfect because it's a small needle and it went all the way through. The holes that's in the in a little wig clip. I have done my repairs on this piece. Right now I am just still detangling her. And she's done. All right, so I'm about to wash all this hair, and I use, my sink, but have a hair catcher in your sink. If this is the sink you're going to be using to, wash your hair pieces in, that thing worked perfect. So I am going to stop that up, and I'm going to have some lukewarm water in here. Just some nice lukewarm water. Now, I'm going to use some Tresemme for, the synthetic hair. So this will be for the Effie ponytail. Yep, that's enough right there. So I got the Effie ponytail here, okay? And for a matter of fact, I am going to put some shampoo on the netting part too. You want that clean too. The netting part in there, you want that clean. As you see, look at all that red in that water. That's when I was showing you guys how to, if you want your hair red that day, that you can put the temporary color on and have your hair red. And that's why the water, looks like that. You see the red in the water? So while I am washing this, y'all hit that like button. That helped that channel. While I'm washing this, guys, hit that like button, because that really helps this channel out and it helps this channel grow. You want to make sure your combs is clean as well. Just everything is clean. That's pretty good right there. That's pretty good. Let me let that water out. Since this is synthetic hair, I will not be conditioning it. I will just let it dry. I will pick it out, and then I will use scissors or clippers to reshape it. When I go to hang this up, I'm going to hang it because I want it to drip dry into the tub. So I'll be hanging it by the string here and let it drip dry. So I'm just going to let this drip dry in the shower area right there. This is the edge topper. This is human hair. And this is a human hair ponytail, okay? I am going to wash those two things with my shampoo and conditioner, sulfate-free Cantu, okay? Just what I would use on my hair. On the Effie ponytail, because it was synthetic, this Tresemme is not sulfate-free, so that's why I just went on to use this. And this is what I will use on like synthetic hair. Nothing human. So this is almost gone. So it's got like maybe 2 more washes, but only synthetic hair with that. I'm gonna wash it the same way. I'm gonna fill up the basin. I am going to wash the netting of the ponytail, make sure the combs is sanitized, the netting is sanitized. I'm gonna wash the hair, and I am going to condition it. Now see how dirty that water is? Because this Effie is like one of those hair pieces that we have to put like moisturizers on and activators on, then it is going to attract the elements and make your hair dirty. So even with your hair, you got, you know, your hair out and you wearing a texturizer or something like that, those oils and everything that you put on your hair is going to attract the outside elements and dirt. And look how just touching it, look at that. Now with this piece, I love hanging it upside down like this to dry because that let the curls fall down, in my opinion. And it just let the curls fall loose and make them not lay flat on the hair piece. So this one, I will be hanging upside down like this. And it takes no time to dry. So while that is like that, I'm gonna put some conditioner on it. I sure am. Put some conditioner on that. Let that sit for a while. Then I am gonna sit that to the side, start over. If this video is helping you all in any way, I would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. The way that I am washing my hair pieces, this is what makes them last long. But I also have a surprise coming up for you in a different video. Look at that water. Look at that water. And I'm going to tell you something else. I'll show you in a minute. This ponytail turned out so soft. It came so clean and it was so manageable. But I'm still not done with her. So I'm just going to wash this, condition it, and then I'm going to rinse it out and hang it up. There are some things that I want to do to this human ponytail. Right now I'm just detangling it. But look at that water. Look at that water. So this is good. It's clean. It's clean. We'll let that out. And before I put any of these hair pieces on my head, my hair will be clean. I'm thinking about coloring my hair, but if I do that, I'll come back and let y'all see, you know, how I'm going to color my hair and what I'm going to use and all that. So I'm going to let this lay in the sink. And I'm just going to put some conditioner on it. I'm just going to let that sit. I'm gonna let it sit. If you want, you could put it in a bag, but I don't need to do all that. You know, a plastic cap, but I don't need to do all that. All right, so I have rinsed out the edge ponytail. I have rinsed it out, but I like for it to hang upside down and drip dry. So I have this adjustable like hanger, and I'm gonna put it on here. and let it just hang upside down. Let the curls fall out and drip dry, okay? So the curls can come from it. Yeah. This is gonna be cute. This is gonna be cute. So I'm just gonna hang this up behind the shower. And both of those are just gonna drip dry and be dry in no time. All right, well, this is the human ponytail. I just rinsed out the conditioner. So I got my little microfiber mitt. Remember I told you it's more gentler on the hair, your hair and your human hair pieces. Synthetic, you know, who really cares? But I'm treating my human hair pieces like I would treat my hair. So this is a microfiber mitt. It's more gentle on the hair. And I am going to hang her up and let her dry. All right, y'all, so all of the hair is hanging up behind my shower and it's dripping dry, and that is not going to take no time to dry. I have one more piece, another edge to wash, but I'm not washing that because I am experimenting with that edge for you all right? So let's go see what the edge is doing. I am experimenting on her, but she will be washed today. I'll bring that to you in a different video and how that turned out. You know, y'all gotta let me know if y'all want to see how I style that, and then we'll go from there. All right, that is it. All of the units are washed except this one that has the waves in it, and I am experimenting on her. I will be washing and coloring my hair today. I might bring that to you all, but just be looking out for future videos so y'all see where I am. I will be coming to you all more often live. I'll try to make a schedule for that so you all will be able to catch it, okay? Well, y'all know I appreciate y'all so much. Thanks for coming by, spending this time with me. You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you will not miss my next video. Also, you all know that I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over at Regina's Way, I love doing everything else, including the sales that I'm finna bring to you all on that channel, what I found, so you all will be able to go get it for yourselves, okay? So go over there and show me some love and thumbs up, subscribe, and leave, you know, a comment. That helps that channel grow as well. Stay safe, stay blessed. Any concerns you have about your hair, leave it in the comment section down below. And guess what? I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.